Morning, Jonathan York from IRG BOP. This week looking at the OCR announcement that's coming out from the Reserve Bank tomorrow morning. This has taken on greater significance now after Australia raised their rates, which was the first G20 country to raise rates. They raised them by a quarter point, and most analysts now expect the Australian Reserve Bank to increase their rates by a further 50 basis points next week on Melbourne Cup Day. Now, while no one is expecting a rate increase in the OCR from New Zealand this Thursday, it'll be interesting to see the statement that accompanies the rate unchanged announcement, and just to see whether the phrase "we expect to keep the OCR at or below current levels through until the latter part of 2010" is retained. If that's not, then I think most people will then be looking for rate increases in New Zealand in the first half of 2010. With the market already pricing in a half-point increase at the end of the first quarter and 1.25 point increase by the end of June next year. Looking that trying to put that in perspective, that is a 50% increase in rates from the current levels of 2.5 to 3.75 by the end of June next year. So how can you really look to take advantage of that with your investing decisions? Well, firstly, you have to look at keeping your duration short. You don't want to lock in rates for too long a period. So, for example, obviously, you're not really going to be looking at locking in for a 3 or 5 year bond in the current interest rate environment, because if rates start to increase, the capital value of those bonds will decrease. And the further way of looking at trying to take advantage of it will be with the annual resets. Quite a few of these are available on the New Zealand market. Probably the most popular is the Rabo 1 year reset, which resets every October. That has already seen an increase in the capital value there from around 75 cents already up to 85 cents. And as interest rates increase, and that gets reset every year, so the capital value will just look to rise over the period. Also look at the CBA, there's ASB, Origin also have an annual reset out there. Excuse me. That has also shown quite a marked improvement in the capital value, increase from 65 cents to some. Looking at playing the rate increases, the annual resets, quite a few available on the New Zealand market, and just give us at IRG a call, and we can help you come up with some useful investment decisions to take advantage of the potential rate increase coming forward. Disclosure documents obviously available on request. You can give Lorne a call 0800 867 323, or check out the website www.irgbop.co.nz. Thank you.